National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Schuyler County in central New York, southeastern Yates County in central New York, central Steuben County in central New York, until 5:30 a.m. At 4:49 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Cameron, or 12 miles east of Hornell, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bath, Penn Yan, Campbell, Urbana, Watkins Glen, Dundee, Montour Falls, Tyrone, Howard, and Thurston. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Seneca County in central New York, northwestern Schuyler County in central New York, southeastern Yates County in central New York. Until 6 a.m. At 5:34 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dundee, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Hector, Starkey, and Imrod around 5:40 a.m. Kaywood around 5:45 a.m. Ovid, Townsendville and Willard around 5:55 a.m. Covert, Interlaken and Sheldrake around 6 a.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.